Next topic is acquired and inherited traits. Inherited traits are those which we inherit or receive from our parents. Traits which are received from the parents and they are given to the next generation, means they are the traits which we receive from our parents and which we give to our children. These traits are called inherited traits received from parents, and these are given to the children, also given to the next generation. And these traits, they are transmitted from one generation to the next. For example, there are more than 50,000 traits, inherited traits. Few of them we have the fused and free ear lobes. Fused and free ear lobes. Let us see. This is shown in your NCERT. This is the ear lobe, this portion. अगर आप इसको हटाएंगे, this is not fused with the cheek. We have another type of ear lobes. Here the ear lobes, this lower portion of the ear, this is fused with the cheek. So you can check your own ear lobes and your parents' ear lobes. In most of the cases, they would be similar. Another example is rolling of tongue. The tongue, it can be rolled and rolled like a pipe. और बहुत सारे cases में the tongue, rolling of tongue is not seen. So this is a trait which is inherited from the parents. Another example is hitchhiker thumb. Like this is the hitchhiker thumb, which is straight, and in most of the cases you must have seen that the thumb, it bends in the backward direction. So this is the hitchhiker thumb, which is a inherited trait. So traits which we receive from our parents and then give to the next generation, these traits are called inherited traits, and these traits they travel from one generation to the next. Acquired traits are those which are neither inherited from the parents and these are nor transmitted to the next generation, and these traits they disappear with the death of the individual. यानी इंडिविजुअल की डेथ के साथ ही ये ट्रेट्स खत्म हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बोरिंग ऑफ पिन्ना. पिन्ना इज द एक्सटर्नल ईयर जो सदियों से कान में छेद कराते हैं. दैट इज द बोरिंग ऑफ पिन्ना. एंड दिस इज अ एक्वायर्ड ट्रेट कि हम अपने लाइफ टाइम में इसको एक्वायर करते हैं और इंडिविजुअल की डेथ के साथ ये ट्रेट जो है ख़त्म हो जाता है. कोई भी न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी जो है दैट इज़ नॉट बॉर्न विद अ होल इन द पिन्ना, और कान में छेद के साथ कोई भी बच्चा पैदा नहीं होता है, तो दैट इज़ डन. अनदर इज बॉडी बिल्डिंग और या द बिल्डिंग ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स बाय स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स and the film stars etc. building of the body muscles. अगर कोई उसको एक्वायर करना चाहता है तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्सरसाइज और जिमिंग करनी पड़ेगी. तो दिस ट्रेट जिसको भी ऐसे बॉडी मसल्स जो भी अपने बनाते हैं वो उनको पेरेंट्स से नहीं मिले, ना ही उनके बच्चों में ये ट्रेट जाएगा. अगर कोई भी इंडिविजुअल चाहता है कि उसके बॉडी मसल्स हों स्ट्रॉन्ग, बॉडी बिल्डिंग वो करे, तो उसके लिए उसको खुद से एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेगी. सो दीज आर द एक्वायर्ड एंड इनहेरिटेड ट्रेट्स विच वी रिसीव फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट एंड देन we transmit it to the next generation, and these traits they travel from one generation to the another. For example, fused and free earlobes rolling of tongue, and hitchhiker thumb. And acquired traits, these are neither inherited from the parents and nor transmitted to the next generation, and these traits they disappear with the death of the individual. For example, boring of pinna and building of strong body muscles.